Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video we are going to review a new muscle pain relief spray from Dabur. So Dabur has come up with a new muscle pain relief spray and it's called Dabur Rheumatil. So this is the product here that I have, and today we are going to review this product. So stay tuned for the review. So guys, starting off with the packaging of the product, it comes packaged in a tin can here, and it has the Dabur branding right here. We can see the Dabur branding and the Rheumatil branding across the body of the spray, and it says that it's a muscle pain relief spray which is useful in the case of strains, sprains, neck pain, back pain. It provides rapid effective relief with oil of wintergreen and menthol. So it contains the oil of wintergreen and menthol, which are known to provide relief and soothe the sore parts of the body. So this is what it is meant for, and let's look at the net quantity of this. So this is a 57 ml bottle that I have. The net quantity is 57 ml and it has 40 grams in weight, and the MRP of the same is rupees 130. So coming to the packaging, it comes packaged like this. It has a cover, and then the spray also has another cover on top of it. You need to remove this as well, and then this is spray nozzle available here, which you just need to spray right wherever there's pain. You just need to spray like a few sprays of it, and you will get instant relief from that pain. I used it for my leg which was hurting, so I had sprained my ankle and I used it for my ankle, and I really found it to like give a nice cooling effect. It gives a nice cooling effect because of the menthol in it. It gives a nice cooling effect, and it quickly relieves the pain that you're feeling. And it is advised not to directly start walking if you have a sprained leg. So I sprayed some of the spray on it, and then I just rested it for some time, and then I can feel it to be like it's feeling much better after using the spray, because it was hurting a lot before that. So that was the reason for me to buy the Dabur Rheumatil, and it really helped with the sprain, and it's an amazing product. It provides relief from muscle pain, and it provides a soothing effect as well. So that is the benefit of it. Another thing is this is ozone friendly and doesn't contain any CFCs, which is good. Coming to the shelf life it provides is 2 years of shelf life it provides, so which is another good thing. It has 2 years of shelf life as well. So yeah, this is a spray from Dabur, and it's called Rheumatil, and it's effective for strains, sprains, neck pain and back pain, or any type of muscle pain that you have. It is very effective for that. So yeah, this was my review guys about the Dabur Rheumatil. I will definitely give it a 4 on 5 because it's an amazing product, and it is priced also at a very affordable rate, and it is very effective. I tried it myself and I found it to be effective in curing my sprain, so that's why I'm rating it high. Guys, if you all want to buy the Dabur Rheumatil, I put the link to the product in the description below. You can buy it on Amazon. And if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.